Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for helping me reach 1000 subscribers this week. I love you guys. Do keep supporting. I hope I keep improving every single day.
Wow, mami sa expert hai din na? Wow, mami masih expert. Wow.
All set for a trip to village. So much stuff.
Wow, mami sa expert hai din na? Wow, mami masih expert. Wow. My mom is the best woman car driver in Tripura. Na mami? And what place is this, mom? Buraka. This is Buraka. Say hi, mom. Hi. Okay, let's go now.
Bin mo na kan bayan sa mo. Multa ni lang ni bayan.
Rutong na pa yun eh. Gari salang mata mati.
This is the bridge to our village, and that's my mom.
There's the river.
And this is the stream.
And this is fish bell. Dumbbell, fish bell.
Okay. For your biceps.
My
Oh, that's the reason you've got like so much of muscles right there.
yes.
Somebody else is gonna drive our car because mom can't take the turns. It's too narrow. Kakak! Hi! Punat. Sa kakak kasi ito. Ha?
That's all here.
Oh, also 20 rupees in primer sa python ka?
20 das man got 20 rupees.
Dal berada. Ya 20 dang ada.
Pang mani.
So, enggak besar lagi.
Kain ni.
Katil fish.
Kani.
Jono kanye.
Jono Kaisha.
Jono kaisa.
Oh, so small. See the road. That's our house. That one is our house. Tom, Tom tinggal sa.
Mutang ka doon sa kaisa. Ang tangmay ah?
Kekap oma jaga sih. Ang kana si jaga kiri kya.
Ang kisa yang koi giran. Di sini giran.
Hi P.
Giran koi tang giras.
Yung lagabi. Nolle mangala kada di mole. Habis thang mana nya? Mom and Dad just dropped us with our grandma and grandpa, and they're going back to the city. And we are here away from civilization in like 1800s, not even that, 1700s. Very remote village with our grandparents. So the sun has set and it's getting dark quite soon here. It's only 5. Bye Daddy. Bye Mommy. My mom and dad are leaving us. Bye. Sarangyo.